Downward dog it up.
Sometimes I gotta use my head to stand up. Sort of front heavy. There we have it.
Look at that belly.
You're looking at Daddy. Hi, Poppy. You looking at Daddy's shoes? You can put them on if you want. You want to put on Daddy's shoes? Go ahead.
Yeah, I invite you to. Please, see how comfortable they are. You'll never doubt the beauty of shoes again.
Just rubbing her belly. Yep, see, Daddy put his shoes on. He's going outside. You gotta wear shoes when you go outside. You knocking on the window? Where you going? Hi, he was there. What you doing? Da. Whoop. Arr. She started knocking on the window. I don't know if you heard it, but she was knocking on the window.
Ah, you got a sword? What?
Hi, Poppy. Say hi, Poppy.
And if you want...
Lila, what you doing? Walking with something in your mouth?
What dressing do you want for your salad?
I think just olive oil.